Okay, so the second problem that we're going to do illustrates why I don't really like the 5th grade way of adding and subtracting fractions. So I purposely picked this problem. Don't say your name. Who wants to raise their hand and tell me what they got?
I got 2 and 1/4.
What'd you get?
1 3/4.
What'd you get?
1 3/4.
Any other answers?
Well, I got this
1 3/4?
1 3/4.
1 3/4. So a lot of you did well. Let me also explain though why I don't like the 5th grade way of doing it. The 5th, who remembers what they were told in 5th grade about this? And some of you even have mentioned it the other day when we were doing mixed numbers. Okay, what were they doing? What I heard, and especially in my last class, they were doing the fractions first and then the whole number. So let's do the fractions first. Let's do it that way to see why I don't like it. First thing I have to do is find a common denominator. What's the common denominator?
4.
So this becomes, stays 3/4. And 1/2 becomes what? 2/4. 4 times 2 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. When I go to subtract though, 2 minus 3 is actually what? Negative 1. And if I bring my 2 down, I have 2, -4. That doesn't even look like any number we've seen before. Okay? So what I like, if you're struggling with these, what I would like you to do is, who remembers what I said the other day, I want you to do first. Yes?
Multiply and add.
Multiply then add because it's turning the mixed number into a what? Improper fraction. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. I see you holding up 5 fingers back there. Minus 3/4. My common denominator is what? 4. 2 times 2 is 4, so 5 times 2 is 10. I have to do the same thing to the bottom and the top. I multiply 2 by 2 to get the common denominator. I have to do the same thing on the top. Now I can subtract. What's 10 minus 3? 7. Am I done yet?
No.
Why not? Well, I didn't forget the whole number. The whole number was included in this. The numerator is bigger than the denominator, and that's called a what? An improper fraction. Now, are you allowed to have improper fractions in life?
No.
Yes. Starting when? When did I don't know if you remember what I said. In Algebra 1, so next year, you're going to be dealing in improper fractions. Improper fractions are allowed in Algebra 1. They're not allowed in 7th grade. Why? Any idea? Well, it's not really the proper way. It's really just to get more division practice. Because when you turn this improper fraction back into a mixed number, you're really just practicing division, correct? 7 divided by 4. 4 divides into 7 how many times? 1. And 3 are left over. The number on the top is your whole number. The number, the remainder, is your numerator. The number over here is your denominator. So that is your answer.